The Environmental Court has dismissed a case challenging the introduction of genetically modified food in the country for the lack of evidence on the risk that it poses to humans. Justice Oscar Angote ruled that the Law Society of Kenya's petition lacked supporting evidence that the cabinet and regulatory agencies contravened the Constitution when the lifting of the ban on cultivation and importation of genetically modified crops.
Kenya is edging closer to joining Malawi, South Africa and Zambia in rollout of full commercialization of genetically modified foods after the Environmental Court dismissed a case challenging the introduction of genetically modified crops into the country. In his ruling, Justice Oscar Angote argued that the petition by the Law Society of Kenya lacked supporting evidence regarding the potential harm to human beings.
Is there really any evidence that has been produced to show that GMOs are unsafe? And I do believe what Daktari has said is that what was published in 2012, I think was recanted, and there is no evidence that GMOs are unsafe.
Justice Angote also noted that there had been sufficient public involvement, including a session held in Nairobi at the Kenyatta International Convention Center and a Gazette notice dismissing claims by the petitioners. The judge ruled that the petitioners' claims regarding the cultivation, importation and exportation of GMO maize without a license were premature due to the absence of concrete evidence. The court said the National Biosafety Authority has put in place necessary measures for the rollout of the GMO cultivation and that there was no evidence to show the authority had in its function as a regulator.
And when they approve a product which has been developed locally here, they have checked from beginning to end up to the market systems. How will it be managed? Who will be selling the seeds? All these kind of things have been considered.
Benson Tuba reporting for Prime Edition.